You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Good Monday afternoon to you, and it is November the 1st, and just like that, temperatures are declining for the first week of November. We'll get to 10 degrees today, maybe even 11 degrees. We are dealing with a chance of a light rain intermittently throughout eastern Ontario. Just a trace amount, though. We'll slip to 7 degrees late evening. We'll update you now with our futurecast images. When I say a light rain, maybe a millimeter or two, and it is intermittent. And then much the same for tomorrow, that light rain, and then some flurry activity possibly for Wednesday. We do see some small patches south of the St. Lawrence, really concentrated in upper New York State, though, but that might affect us by Friday, some light flurry activity. Belleville, 11 degrees for you today, 1 to 3 millimeters of rain, windy conditions with gusts around 50 kilometers per hour. Tomorrow, 9 degrees and that light rain, again salvaging some sunshine, though, and then Wednesday, a mix of sun and clouds climbing to 8 degrees. 9 is the average high for this time of year. Good afternoon, Brockville, 10 degrees for you today, and you'll see some sunny periods, some windy conditions as well. 9 for Tuesday. By Wednesday, a mix of sun and clouds, and getting to just 7 degrees for a high. Tuesday into Wednesday and beyond, we're looking at chilly overnight lows dipping below 0. Today, though, Smiths Falls, 11 degrees today with some sunshine, 9 degrees today, tomorrow rather, and then 7 on Wednesday with a mix of sun and clouds. Now for Kingston, we'll get to 11 degrees today. That light rain expected throughout parts of the region, windy conditions as well. 9 tomorrow with a light rain. Wednesday and Thursday, 7 degrees the expected highs, and overnight lows very chilly, and both days, however, seeing some sunshine. And at this point, we're going to end the week with a light rain getting to 8 degrees. Might even see the odd flurry mixed in there, especially if that rain is in the morning.
Yeah, some cooler air circulating through the region. We have a slight chance of showers for now, but it's going to clear up. You're going to see some sunshine for a while. There is the chance of flurries, and we'll talk about that in just a moment. 10 for a high in Kingston, Brockville today, 11 at Smiths Falls, Ottawa, Belleville, Peterborough had a 10, Oshawa 2, and Toronto as well. So everybody in the seasonal range. 9 is actually the seasonal average for Kingston, so in fact, those were a notch or two above the norm. West-northwest winds at 13 kilometers per hour. We're going to find those diminish tonight. And we're going to find them, of course, southerly in the morning with that chance of showers, and then they'll become more westerly and northwesterly by the afternoon, bringing a lot of cool air in. Just a trace of showers this afternoon, still a small chance for tonight, too. And high pressure wants to move in and clear it up for us, and it will. But we still have, well, this low in the north that swept through earlier with that brief chance of showers. It's now moving on. We do have troughing, though, another cold front, and then another trough right in behind that. And as those troughs and cold fronts move on, more start to build in behind it. The nice thing is these highs are dropping just south of us, so they're going to help to moderate that temperature. We're not going to have sub-zero temperatures as a result of this cool Arctic air moving in, but we will see a significant drop. Daytime highs will be single digits for a little while. So this is where we are now and why we're saying that probability of a shower overnight and in the morning. That 60% probability diminishes through the day on Tuesday, and then Wednesday, it's looking pretty good with just a mix of sun and cloud. It's into Thursday that we have that probability of a shower or maybe a flurry for some of us in the region. Belleville, not the case. 9 for a high tomorrow, that 60% chance of showers, mostly cloudy to start, hoping for a mix of sun and cloud by the afternoon. Wednesday, a mix of sun and cloud with a high of 8. Carbon copy that for Thursday. Not a bad couple days. Brockville, 9 for Tuesday for a high. You've got a 60% chance of showers. That continues from the overnight. Wednesday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high 7. You rise to 8 Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud. There is a 30% chance of shower. They were saying 20% earlier of a couple hours ago. And they've increased that to 30%. With that 30% does come the risk of a flurry mixed with those showers. But you know it's not going to stick. Smiths Falls, a high 9, 40% chance of showers tomorrow, and a couple days of a mix of sun and cloud over Wednesday and Thursday, highs of 6 and 7 respectively both days. Kingston, your 5-day forecast, rising to 9 Celsius tomorrow. We do have a small chance of showers overnight, but 30 to 40%. And then tomorrow, that increases to 60% in the morning. By the afternoon, we're back down to a 40, hoping for a mix of sun and cloud. But it does start off fairly cloudy Tuesday. Wednesday, it's a mix of sun and cloud with a high of 7. Thursday, up to 7 again. And there's a good chance of showers or flurries. Now, you know it's not going to stick because it does rise into the plus zone with a high of 7. But in those early morning hours or those late hours where it's much cooler, there's a possibility of a mix. Friday, it's mainly sunny, high 9. Saturday, up to 11. and a mix of sun and cloud. Now, your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam's since 1962 with same-day delivery.
And it's the best of October. Our second runner-up, Cassandra Webb of Gananoque, with this lovely little picture. And our first runner-up, Helmer Nielsen of Kingston, with this young buck in the fall foliage. Our best picture comes from Richard Cooper of Kingston. You got this big, bright, beautiful mass of fall foliage near Middle Road. Thanks a lot, Richard. Someone will be contacting you soon. We do award prizes. Right now, they're kind of on hold through the pandemic, but we're keeping names and numbers.
Great. And yeah, another tough choice for October, Bill, but some wonderful fall scenes there.
Yes.
Great. Okay, it's time now for sports.
CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
Small chance of showers. We may even see a flurry before the week is through, but a very small chance of that. And you know it's not going to stick when temperatures rise into the plus zone through the day. But there is the F word in the forecast. Yes, some flurries coming our way. Look at these cold fronts that are passing through and troughs that are moving through. Thanks to these highs that are sort of dropping in out of the northwest, we're getting this flow of cold air, that northwest 30 tomorrow afternoon. You're going to feel it. It's going to bite a little bit. And temperatures over the next week or so are going to get even lower into the minus range overnight. And yeah, if there's any chance of precipitation, you know, if it's in the early morning or late at night when it's at its coolest, they could be mixed with flurries, not just showers. 9 for a high tomorrow, a 60% chance of shower activity for Wednesday and Thursday, highs of 8 and a mix of sun and cloud. No precipitation. A little gusty tomorrow, gusting up to 50 out of the west. Brockville, 9 for a high tomorrow, 60% chance of showers with a mix of sun and cloud. Northeast winds gusting to 40, and Wednesday a high 7, mix of sun and cloud. More of the same Thursday with a high of 8. And Smiths Falls, you've got a high of 9 tomorrow with a 40% chance of showers. Wednesday, high 6, mix of sun and cloud, and a mix of sun and cloud on Thursday with a high of 7. Kingston, your long-range forecast. Looks like shower activity in the morning is possible, 60% probability. Hoping to see that come to end late day. Wednesday, it's a mix of sun and cloud with a high of 7. For Thursday, a high of 7, but in the early morning hours and the late hours, there is a probability of precipitation. It could be a shower or a flurry. Mostly sunny Friday with a high 9, and then 11 seems to be the magic number Saturday, Sunday, and Monday for highs. Enjoy that mix of sun and cloud.